Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to show Chrome notification on the lock screen on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, you can left press on the application like this. Well, and then here you can select App Info. After that, here you can press Notification. Well, to show Chrome notification on the lock screen device, you can activate this option. Okay, and then for the second step, you can open settings on your device. And then here you can select notification. And then you can activate this option. Okay, you can do this according to the device you are using. Well, that's the tutorial on how to show Chrome notification on the lock screen on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.